Hey guys, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans, and today I am planning the week of January 29th to February 4th in my Erin Condren Hourly Life Planner. Let's go ahead and get started. So this week I'm going to be using a kit from Scribble Prints Co. It's actually a mini kit and it's called Into the Woods. I've had this for a really long time and I absolutely love it. You still get a decent chunk of stuff with their mini kits, but I have like a lot of stuff from grab bags and Color Club and different things from Scribble Prints Co. and from other shops that match this. So I'm feeling pretty good about using a mini kit for this week. I grabbed out this Fall Vibes Color Club from SPC as well because I think even though the colors aren't exact, it matches pretty well with the kit. So I am going to start with my bottom washi, but then I'm going to go in like kind of a different order than I usually do. And that's just because with the mini kit, I wasn't 100% sure how I wanted to do things or what I wanted to use. I have like a lot of extra elements pulled out that I don't usually need while I'm doing my pre-planning, just because the mini kit is so much smaller than a full kit. But I have like enough stuff in coordinating colors that I think it's going to end up with like sort of the same look, although probably, just a little bit more colorful than it would have with a full kit. So this washi's from Michaels. It's pink marble and it's got a bit of gold foiling in it. And I thought it looks really cute, and the pink kind of matches the pink in the flowers on the bottom washi. And I've really been liking how the top washi looks at the top of the planner. So I think I'm going to keep going with that for a while. Then I also have these like glitter flags. That's from like an a la carte glitter sheet from Scribble Prints Co. I got it in a glitter grab bag. I love the glitter grab bag. I'm definitely going to get another one of those when I use up some more of this, if they have them again. But yeah, so anyway, I'm going to put the washi on the top here, and then I'm going to go right into my sidebar. So this week is looking like another busy week. I have some appointments and also a bunch of work meetings already scheduled. I just feel like work is going to be really busy until I go on maternity leave, just trying to, prep for that and everything. Plus I ended up taking Friday off last week because my dad decided to come in for a visit, and that was really fun and nice. It was great to take a day off, but I am sure I will be paying for it next week. So for the sidebar, I'm doing things mostly the same as last week, but a little mix up. For the full box, I used the wolf. I love the wolf, so cute. Oh, I love the full boxes in this kit. They're amazing. And then I'm putting down my weekly tracker, which I'm going to use for my Instagram posts. And then I'm just going to use a 3-heart checklist for my top 3 to-dos for the week. I've been having trouble filling out all of them or like remembering to fill it out because I do use my bullet journal more for to-dos than my Erin Condren. So I don't want to like overlap things, and I want the sidebar to be useful. Then I am actually going to do a habit tracker this week. It's not a habit tracker that I track in my bullet journal habit tracking, and I don't want it all the time, but I do want it for this week, and it's going to be a no spend just for the week. I went super crazy at the Planner Boss Collective sale, and I think I just need to take a week off from shopping on Etsy and other planner related things, just to recover from that, let some of my orders start coming in. Oh my gosh, I just got so much stuff. Anyway, I felt like I was like, okay, Black Friday, and I'm going to order all this stuff, and then I'm going to be done. And then I discovered planner group sales, and now I'm like, okay, well, now I'm never going to be done. I'm just going to keep buying like stickers and pens and all kinds of crazy stuff and TN stuff and everything. So anyway, no spend for the next 7 days. And then I'm just polishing it off with some more glitter headers from that same glitter header sheet, and then I'm going to use a half box from the kit to do my word of the week. So on Monday, my dad's still here until about lunchtime, and he is actually going to watch my daughter for me in the morning because I had to reschedule the class from Friday to Monday because I wanted to take Friday off. So I am teaching my training class on Monday morning instead. And then we'll probably like go grab a quick bite or something. I'm not sure. And then he is flying home. So I'm using a flight tracker to mark that. And the flight tracker is actually from a color grab bag from Whimsical Plans. I have actually been loving using all that stuff as well. I'm a huge fan of grab bags, but I definitely need to like work down my stash before I order some more, except for dinos. Anyway, and then I was not really sure what I was doing with this, but then I decided to end up using it for a nap washi, so I just moved it. I didn't do my nap washi and my meal little things ahead of time because I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to do with that, and the meal little things weren't included in the mini kit. Then I just have a quick meeting in the afternoon while my daughter is napping, and that's it for Monday. So Tuesday morning I actually have a doctor's appointment. Probably be seeing more and more and more and more doctor's appointments in my planner. I have to go every other week now, and in a few weeks it'll be every week. So gonna use all of those dinos, all of those doctor's appointment dinos up. And then I just put down the nap washi, and that's actually all I have for Tuesday. So Tuesday should be a pretty light day. Then on Wednesday, we have story time at the library, my fave. Oh my gosh, this past week at story time, it was the library snake's birthday, and they like had all of these rules for touching the snake. I'm like, man, these kids are all under 2, and you're like telling them to be quiet and use 2 fingers to touch a snake, and you don't understand how insane that sounds. Like toddlers are not capable of listening that well. Anyway, then I have just a couple of quick meetings in the afternoon, and I actually just decided to use 4 hearts in the checklist because I'm sure I'll have other things that I need to take care of as well. So I will use the hearts that are meetings, and I write the time in, and the other ones I'll use like a checklist. Then I just went back to put in some nap washi, and I grabbed a thicker piece of washi because my nanny is coming on Wednesday. So I want to mark down her hours as well. Then I'm just going to grab the dinos and characters for this. So a doctor's appointment Penelope from Scribble Prints Co. and a Once More with Love Munchkin for story time. And actually I grabbed a laptop one as well for my class. That's all for the first half of the week. So flipping over to Thursday. So as per usual, Thursdays are my killer day. I'm actually starting in the afternoon. I'm going to grab a 3-heart checklist. I have a couple of quicker work meetings, and then after that I have a chiropractor appointment, so I'm just grabbing an appointment label for that one, and then adding in my naps and nanny washi, again grabbing that thicker piece so that I can write down both, and just sort of fussing with that a little bit to line it up straight. Then putting down a little thing to mark that my cleaning people are coming, and I just grabbed a skinny appointment label, and then I'll use like some kind of icon or something with that, and just to mark that down, and then putting down a quarter box for swim class as well. And then that is it for Thursday. Busy day. And then on Friday we just have story time at the library again, and then some nap washi, and then I actually have my year-end review with my manager, so I am grabbing a half box for that as well. Next, I am going to put down a half box for the Super Bowl, and I decided to use some green glitter headers with that because I am a huge Eagles fan. I'm originally from Philadelphia, even though I live in Austin now, and I am just so excited about the Super Bowl and that the Eagles are in the Super Bowl, and I ended up really liking how the green looked with the kit, so I'm going to add in like a little bit more green as I go along. It looks really nice. Then at the top, I'm gonna put down the double box with a weekend banner, and I'm actually just putting down these pink glitter headers. So I didn't want the weekend banner to cover too much of the double box, so I was just trying to give it like a little bit more space. The double box is the house one, and I don't mind if the weekend banner touches the trees, but I didn't want it to cover any of the house. So I just put that down with a little bit of extra glitter first. And I realized I could still see the numbers along the side, so tried to be really careful with the whiteout so that I didn't accidentally white out the sticker. And then I'm going to hang down the weekend banner. This weekend banner is actually not from the kit. It's from another sheet that I had. I just wanted to bring a little bit more gold in. So then on to character stickers, for this half of the week, grabbing my dinos for swim and for my year-end review, and my munchkin for story time. And the dinos are from SPC. And then for the Super Bowl, I grabbed some stuff that I had from a few different things. The balloons and the sort of confetti thing are from the Glitter Club last month from SPC. And then as well, I grabbed a TV icon from the kit just to make that really decorated. And then I'm going to have to write that in like some cool handwriting or something. Then also just grabbing one last munchkin from Once More with Love, and that is a chiropractor massage munchkin for my chiropractor appointment. Those are so cute. And then I just grabbed a cleaning or trash can icon from the kit for the cleaning people. So popping this open again, and then just adding a $sign icon from the kit to mark my no spend week. Now I'm going to put in my meal little things, and I decided to use that Fall Vibes Color Club, the red and the green from that, even though it doesn't match exactly. I just actually really like how it looks. And then I grabbed pinks from another kit that I thought matched well with like the pinks and the flower and the washi from the kit. So just putting that all down. And I'm not going to do one on Sunday because of the Super Bowl, and I'm sure we'll just be like snacking and feasting all day. Then finally, I forgot my weeks tracker, so I'm just using this little fancy appointment label thing from the kit with my 32 weeks sticker. I can't believe how far along I've gotten. I'm into bi-weekly doctor's appointments and then soon to be once a week. And then anyways, I just added in a little heart from the pregnancy sticker pack from Erin Condren. So that is everything that I know of ahead of time. So I am just going to turn the camera off and get this filled out, and I will be right back. Okay, so that's everything filled out for this week. I love how this is coming together. Most of the stuff is from the kit, but I did use like glitter headers and this glitter thing from just some other random Scribble Prints Co grab bags that I have. The munchkins are all Once More with Love, and the dinos are from Scribble Prints Co. as well. The sparkly stuff here is from last month's Glitter Club in Scribble Prints Co. And the week sticker I made myself, and the little heart is from the Erin Condren pregnancy planner sticker pack. And the flight tracker is from a Whimsical Plans like color grab bag. The word of the week or whatever, the phrase of the week, is I just wrote finish strong. The first half of the week is still in January, and I have a few last things on my to-do list for January to tackle, so I don't have to roll them into February. So I just want to finish out the month with a big productive push, and then I can move on to the lovely February. All of the writing in the planner is done in my Pit artist pen from Faber-Castell in the S, although sometimes I do use the medium as well. The writing on the stickers is almost all in Sharpie, except for this down here, this green. I actually used the Erin Condren double tip pen, and I used the fine tip point of that. I've never used this pen before, so but I like the way it wrote. I thought it was pretty smooth, so maybe I will start using those a little bit more. I got that in the seasonal surprise box maybe like 2 or 3 times ago. So that's everything. Stay tuned to my Instagram at mycraftyplans if you want to see how this week turns out. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you subscribed, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.